Hi everyone, welcome to the 3 Minute Math YouTube channel, where we go over the solutions to contest math problems in under 3 minutes for aspiring mathematicians. The problem we'll be going over today is the 2007 AMC 12A Q14. Let a, b, c, d, e be distinct integers such that 6 minus a times 6 minus b times 6 minus c times 6 minus d times 6 minus e is equal to 45. What is a plus b plus c plus d plus e? So we can start by knowing that all five of these are integers. These expressions are integers. So now if we think of what multiplies to 45, we can just prime factorize 45 and see. So 45 can have a 3 squared and then a 5. So we can try combinations because we want to get five products. So we need to get 5 expressions here. So we can have 3, 5. We can also have a 1 and a 1. But now we need to, these are distinct integers, which means that each result is different. So we can make one of these negative and one of these negative. So we can have -1, 1, 3, -3, and then 5. And that way the negatives cancel out and we'll have different expressions at the same time. So now we have different expressions here. So 6 minus a equal to -1. 6 minus b, because of symmetry, we can just assume one, like we can just keep on assuming. So 6 minus b is equal to 1. 6 minus c is equal to 3. 6 minus d is equal to -3. And 6 minus e is equal to 5. And from this expression we get e equals 1. D equals 9, C equals 3, B equals 5, and A equals 5, which means that A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 13 plus 10, which is 13 plus 10. Let me just see if I... Oh, this is negative. Okay, my bad. So this is -1 over here. I did not see the minus sign. 1, which means that A equals 7. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equal to 7 plus 5 plus 3 plus 9 plus 1, which is just 25. And that is our answer.